finally found a contractor. Well, actually, we have two because I don't trust nobody now after getting burnt by those first few contractors. So we doubled down and we'll just have to choose a winner. So we double booked, but we also, more importantly, found a look for the home we're calling Black Star Oasis. Shout out to Marcus Garvey there, and also the stars that shine in the sky so brightly at night. All right, now back to the look. Initially, we thought we'd go kind of traditional, a little desert chic, a little bohemian, and that's what the contractors bid on. But then we discovered this place. Sparse, a real Adobe desert feel, stone and concrete look, just so damn clean. We were literally mesmerized. We knew that this is what we wanted, but we had no idea how to get it. This is where the real MVP stepped in. Broderick's sister, Taryn, has a ton of experience in this. That's what she does professionally. Hello? Once we realized we were in over our head, we sent up a bat signal. And all the way from Arkansas, Taryn tied on her cape and flew in to help save the day. She came out to the house and basically helped get the train back on the track. Even when she can't make it out to the desert because we got her on that family rate, she still is just a FaceTime call away.
Right. Replace the facing and paint is what I remember. Right, but
so now back to the house. Before you could blink, Inspector Gadget Taryn figured out who did the work and what it's called. The style is called
Tadelakt.
That's what it is. And Taryn found out that there was a house in LA that was for sale that was designed and built by the same team who had done Villa Kuro. Whatever. Villa Kuro. So you know what I did? On my way to a movie premiere, I stopped by the house and posed as a prospective buyer because I wanted to get all the information and see this stuff up close and personal and if it would work in our crib. So what I learned is that some of the stuff is simple stucco while the countertops in the kitchen and other places were made with concrete. So it is a cheaper alternative and it does look very Adobe desert style, so it feels like it's perfect for us. So now we just have to figure out who can do it. And in pops Taryn again. She finds the guy who does the work down in the desert, the only person who does that work down in the desert, talks to him on the phone and lines him up for our project. Girl, you the real MVP. So now we've taken a little detour. We've gone left just a little bit. We want this style.
Tadelakt.
That style. And we want to get it done as soon as possible. So we'll begin building once we choose a contractor.